Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can use 4G 5G network, preferred network, how you can change it 3G 4G 5G. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings app, and friends, here it is the SIM card and mobile networks. Click on advanced, click on the SIM, you can see, and you have to just click on preferred network. Here it is prefer 3G and prefer LTE. If you have chosen 3G or 2G, then you have to click on and click on prefer LTE, the highest network you can choose. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.